Today I want to talk about what I find to be the best accessories add-on for my Zhiyun WeeBill 2 gimbal, and it is the Ulanzi quick release mount for my Nikon camera. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Gadgets with Alan. I've been using WeeBill S before from Zhiyun, and I've moved on to WeeBill 2. I realized that they are both using the same old design of a mounting plate. I find the original mounting plate to be quite standard and not really convenient. You need to mount the camera on top of it and then slide this onto the gimbal. Many times that I will need to take out the camera from the gimbal, like storing both the gimbal and the camera into my bag, or maybe just taking out the camera for some quick shot, or among other reasons, like maybe you want to change your lens and battery. And with this original mount, you have to take it off the gimbal entirely, be it mounting your camera or dismounting it, making it very inconvenient in such a way you have to rebalance every time putting it back onto the gimbal itself. Wouldn't it be nice and convenient that you do not need to do that anymore? So in searching for a solution to overcome this issue, I came across this quick release mount from Ulanzi that works with my Zhiyun WeeBill S and WeeBill 2. Furthermore, it is compatible with this list of gimbal from Zhiyun and DJI. I did come across a few other solutions that is an add-on to the original mount and also offers a quick release solution, but to me they are not as secure and they are quite bulky to begin with. So after you put it onto the mount, the whole thing just looks chunky and adds a lot more weight. For the Ulanzi design, is very near to the original piece. It's custom made to look like the original mount, but they add on a quick release mount on top. The installation is extremely easy and simple. You just need to hold on to the unlock button and release the mounting plate. This goes underneath the camera without saying, but this is not the usual Aka shift plate. You can't use it interchangeably with other tripod using Aka shift plate. And then the bottom of the mount go onto the gimbal like you would use with the original one, but the difference would be upon balancing it onto the gimbal, you will not need to rebalance again, provided you do not change the setup of the camera, like changing the lens. They even include the screw mount for you to attach the lens support that came with the gimbal. So this is a quick and short review on the Ulanzi quick release mount for my Zhiyun WeeBill 2 gimbal. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I have left a link in the description. That's all I got for you in this video. If you like this, please do remember to like and share this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!